section of Microsoft Excel. Agenda for this video is inserting charts and sparklines. This is an amazing function when we have large data set and we just need to keep it very simple, as rightly said. So it will help you in data analysis. You have a large data set, you just can't keep on reading. Everything is not possible if you see it. If there is a visualization, you better understand and you have a better picture of your data, which will help you in analyzing. As the data sets are bigger, charts help in capturing the attention of the audience. Okay, let's get started. Let's see how to insert a chart. Inserting data charts using recommended charts. So there are various types of charts. You have to understand what type of chart you need it, which type of chart is suitable for you. We can use multiple charts also in one sheet. We can use one chart depending. It depends totally on the data and totally on the on the analysis part, how you want to keep the data. And let's see. So there are a lot of data sets. So when you select the data, you will get a recommended charts. Some recommended charts you will get. You can select one of them, or you can go to all charts and you can select whichever chart you need. You can customize as per your own needs also. So this is a very good thing to use. Okay, let's work on Excel. Okay, so this is our same data. We are working on this data only. So let's get started. So if suppose I want in country how many units are sold. So we'll select country and we'll select units sold. How did I do that? I pressed Control and I clicked on B. See, I pressed Control and I clicked on B. The whole data is selected. Okay, and Control units sold. So both the data are selected together. We'll go to Insert. We'll see there are a lot of data sets. So we'll go to Recommended Charts. See, there are 3 charts which are recommended. Okay, and there are lot of charts which we can use: line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area, XY scatter, stock, surface, radar, combo. Okay, but because these charts are recommended, let's try and then we'll go to all charts as well. So let's select clustered bar. We'll click on OK and the chart is here. Okay. Okay, this was one type of chart. Okay, let's check one more type of chart and then we'll work on it together. Insert recommended charts and we'll click on clustered column, let's suppose. So this is the chart. So we can just drag it wherever we want. We can drag it to another sheet also, but I'm just dragging it here so that we can have the data together and we have the chart also with us. We can drag it as much as we want. We can increase the size like this. We can extend it as much as we want. Okay. So this is the chart. Okay. Now we want to customize our chart as per our own needs. So let's see. Let's go to PowerPoint first. Creating an custom chart templates. We can use that also. We saw that function. See, let's see again. We can select country or we can select profit as well together. We'll go to insert. We'll go to recommended charts. In all charts, there are templates also. Okay, but there is no templates coming right now, but we can go to column. We can just select this one, chart, and we'll click on OK. So this is a chart. It's a recommended chart. So if you want to remove the chart, just select the chart and right click, and there are a lot of options to do it. Okay. Or if you want to delete it, just select it and delete it. So it will be deleted. I'll just show it to you once again. So, so this is the chart. Okay, our cursor is here, and if you want to delete the chart, we'll click on the chart anywhere on the chart, and we'll press delete, which is there on the keyboard. And the chart is deleted. So let's check this out. Okay, we'll make the size a little smaller. No, but it's not that visible. Okay, so now we'll check the features that the chart has: chart elements, chart styles, chart filters. So in Excel, it's a very amazing function. Whenever you just put your cursor on something, it will tell you what that point means, that element means. So this is chart elements. Add, remove, or change chart elements such as title, legend, grid lines, and data labels. So let's click on it. Chart elements. So there are a lot of options. We want axis title. See, it's moving. Axis is this blue color O's that you can see. We can remove axis. Axis title is axis title. If we want title here for this data, how will we analyze? If we have too many data charts and too many things to analyze, we need to know what this is about. So we can just you know write a title so that it's good for our own analysis. Chart title. Chart title is this: units sold. This is our chart title. So here you can see is there is only two things that we have selected: the country and the unit sold. That's why it is easy to understand right now. We'll include more things so that it's absolutely clear to all of you. Then we'll select data labels. Okay. So, data labels is we know exactly how much units are sold for each country. France 549, Mexico 788. But if we don't want it, we'll remove it. We can see it. So see, this is above little above for 500. It is little above for 500. So this is exactly 1500. So it is changing. So this was data label. So I'll just remove chart title also. We'll remove axis. Axis is this, the countries. We'll remove that also. Data table. Okay. So we'll increase the size so that it's clear to you. Okay. So data table is the data is coming below, but it's not that clear because we have to clear it out, and we'll do it right now. But just let me just go through all the chart elements first, and then we'll do the formatting and everything. That is the part of formatting. Still, data tables, error bars. This is the error bars. Okay. So, can you see this lines that is coming? This is called as grid lines. Okay. See, there are no lines. When we click on grid lines, it's the grid line coming. Legend. Okay, just a second. So we understand axis, which is below the chart. the country name that is coming. We'll remove that. Axis title is, it's on the left hand side and below it. That is the axis title. Chart title is above the chart, okay, which is unit sold exactly, it's coming correct. Data labels, it's telling you exactly how much is there in each country, okay. Data table, it's coming the country name, unit sold, everything, it's coming like a table. So if you want, you can just create it as a table also. Error bars are the bars here. Grid lines is the lines that is there. If you want, we can keep it. If we don't want, we cannot. We don't need to keep it. Legends. Okay. So legends have another set of options. Okay. So here the legends is coming on the right hand side. We can keep it on the top. We can keep it on the left. We can keep it on the bottom. And we have more options as well. Top right, right. Okay. So this was legend, trend line. So okay, okay. This is a chart. First of all, with this data we can't analyze. For sure, we can't analyze. We just have the data. It's a rough data. Okay, but we need to put our analysis. So we made a chart. But is chart sufficient? We don't understand the trend. Okay, so the trend is telling that see, the data is moving. So what I will do is I will show you a little trick also here. Just keep it, sorry, just let's keep it with our data. Okay, so that I can make any changes I want. Okay, and if I change it to 5,000, see, if I change anything here, my data will be changed. If I made it as 0, see, there's nothing here because I put it as 0. If I put it at 100, it's coming. So you can make changes here, and accordingly the changes will happen on the chart. You don't have to make another chart. If you have anything, or if you want to add anything, you can add also. If you want to remove also, you can remove also. The chart will absolutely function as you want to. Okay, let's come back on the chart. This was the function I wanted to share it with you, because otherwise what people do is, if there is any change, they will delete the chart, they'll make new chart, which is like very very time consuming also, because you have a large data set. You can't keep on changing. Okay, you can't keep on changing your data. You need to keep it as is. Okay, so we understood the chart elements, all the elements we understood. Let's come to style. If you want this kind of a style, you want this kind of a style, you can see on the screen what all changes are happening. So these are so many types of style. I am showing all one by one so you can see the difference. That's why I'm very slow. So I'll start from below. See. Guys, see the difference. It's so good, and it depends on you how you want to keep your chart as. So we'll keep it the first one right now. Okay. Now, see, it's the blue color, black coming with the number. Here it's black again. If you want to change the color, you can do that as well. You can make it multicolor. You can change it as which whatever color you want to. See, you can keep it like this. We can keep it like this. These are the these are the color that we can keep it. Okay, let's keep it as green. Okay. See how good the chart looks when we go. So these was chart elements, style or color, both we can change. We can keep it this also. It's looking so good. Now, now the third option is chart filters.